Say goodbye to gas with the RYOBI 40-volt HP Brushless 20-inch crosscut self-propelled lawn mower with more power than a 150cc gas lawnmower. Tackle up to half an acre with up to 52 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Experience better side discharge, bagging, and mulching performance with the crosscut multi-blade system. And a variable speed self-propelled drive system helps you finish the job quickly and effortlessly. Powerful, innovative, and convenient. Part of the RYOBI 40-volt system, exclusively at the Home Depot.